Welcome to DOLA 2-Minute Mods. Today we're covering DIY Intoeing Gaitplate for treatment-directed testing. An Intoeing Gaitplate is a functional plate or orthotic intervention designed to promote an external rotation change in gait pattern. It features a lateral wing extension beyond the metatarsal heads of digit 2 through to 5 at an angle. The further it extends distally along the fifth, the greater the rotational dose. Before you start, mark your patient's insole with some key clinical markings. Medially, mark proximal to the first MPJ. Laterally, your dose guides you. For this modification, you'll need the patient's shoe insole, a DOLA Tech sheet, a ruler, pen, and scissors. Place the insole on the tech sheet and trace the outline from your lateral marking around the heel to your medial marking. Then use a ruler to draw a straight line connecting both markings. This is your anterior border and dose angle, which can be adjusted. Now with sharp scissors, cut along your tracing to create the gaitplate. Then check the gaitplate against the insole, confirming the anterior border angle reflects your clinical markings and the dimensions and shape, including tapers, matches the insole for footwear fit. For the test fit, place the gaitplate into the shoe with the wing, the longest edge, running down the lateral side towards the fifth digit. It should sit flat in the shoe. Make any fine adjustments and then replace the shoe insole on top of the gaitplate. Now assess with your patient. Observe the clinical effect on gait, check patient comfort and tolerance, and educate your patient on what they're feeling and why. Use the results moving forward to guide your next clinical step, whether that's continued footwear modification with a gaitplate, using the plate as part of a prefabricated orthotic, a custom prescription, or a change in treatment approach. For more education and training, follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or join the DOLA Academy for extended training courses.